I got Shake Shack. I got their truffle burger. Oh my god. This came out in like September, their whole truffle menu, but I haven't had a chance to try it, and so I got it today and I'm so excited. And then I also got their like truffle sauce and their Parmesan fries. Oh my god. Like look how, that is like so much black truffle. Oh my god, let's try. Wait guys, this is actually insane. That Parmesan. The sauce is actually so good. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. That's insane. Okay guys, first bite. We're gonna take some truffle and we're just gonna put that in there. Guys, this is so good. Oh my god. The truffle aioli or whatever this is so good. I feel like Shake Shack is like one of the more like higher quality fast food places, but this burger is like, honestly, like I could expect getting this at like an actual restaurant. This is amazing. And honestly, it was such a good price too. I think the burger was only like $12. Oh my god, look at that. Like, this is so good.